Hi guys, welcome back with the fourth puzzle. The fourth puzzle, a tectonic with 4 stars. In the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday. Yes, it's still Tuesday, November the 2nd, 2021. And I've already solved 3 puzzles, Sudoku with 3 stars, the 4 stars, and a binary. So 2 puzzles are left, the killer Sudoku and the Tectonic with 4 stars. And now it's time for solving the Tectonic with 4 stars. Alright. Let me see. Let me position the camera. Okay. This is okay. Well, it's not stable. Okay. How about this? Alright. And this Sudoku, not Sudoku, this Tectonic will be a number 3626. 3626. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 13 printed digits. Could be a hard one, could be an easy one. Alright, we will see. So let's get started. And the first question is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I cannot see any single boxes. Dual boxes, I see here dual box, here dual box, there dual box, there dual box. 4 times. It contains the 1 and the 2. Well, we see here 2, so this box can be a 2, that box will be a 2, and this box will be a 1. Here, the 1 and the 2, I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here, the same, and there, the same. 1 and the 2, 1 and the 2. Triple boxes then. I see here triple box, and remember the triple box, the middle box, this box, the box near the middle box, or the inside box. The box, it's always, this box is near the middle box, 4 or a 5. The 5 is already filled in. Same with this box, 4 or a 5. It cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be 3. But in this area, we already have a 4. So this box should be a 5. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. Okay. Same for this triple box. The inside box near the middle box should be the 4 or a 5. We have a 5 there. So it cannot be a 5 anymore. This box should be a 4. Okay. More triple boxes? No, quadra boxes. I see here quadra box. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. More quadra boxes? No. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, some structures or construction, whatever you name it. For example, this shape, let me draw this shape. Alright, this shape, we have this shape. Remember, if you see this kind of shape, this box has the same number as that box. Okay. Let me draw this box, same number as that box. Alright. Do we have more of this kind of shape? Here, rotate it. So this box has the same number as that box. More? No. Only 2. Okay, then the following shape. How about the L shape? Mirrored. Yeah, let me draw this. The L shape. Okay, the L shape. Remember, if you see the L shape, this box has the same number as that box. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. More L shapes in this puzzle? No. Only one. Then the following shape, how about this shape? This shape. If you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. Okay. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more these kind of shapes? No. Let me check. Those are the figures or shapes that you need to recognize. Only 3 of them. There are more, but in this puzzle we have 3 that you need to recognize. Then the following step, it's easy for filling the numbers. So next step is let's get starting filling the numbers. Alright, these 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square, also not big square, in this area for numbers 2 and 4. Let me mark those 2 and 4. Alright, these 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4 again, 2 and 4. These 2 boxes can be a 5. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 1 and a 5. The other pair in this area for the numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Alright. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 2 there. This box cannot be a 2 anymore, because if I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 4, and that box should be a 2. Alright, these 3 boxes cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 1. Let me mark those, 2 and 1. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. We have a 2 there. This box can also not be a 2 because we have a double 1 and a double 2 there. So this box cannot be a 1 or a 2. Okay, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 2 here. Same story as before here, yes. I cannot place the 2 here. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a, so a 4, and that box should be a 2. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Then let me see. This box cannot be a 1. We have a double 1 here. This box cannot be a 2. We have a double 2 there. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and the 2, so 1 digit left in this area for the number 4. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. That box cannot be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 5. That box can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 5. That box can be a 5. We have a double 5 here. This box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be here. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. Alright, so 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. Well, I cannot place a 1 here. I've told you before I cannot place the 1 or a 2 because we have a double 1 and a double 2 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 should be here, and the 3 goes and there. Alright. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be a 1. Can it be a 2? Should be a 3. Can it be a 4? Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. Let me mark those. Well, I cannot place a 4 here. We have a 4 there. So the 4 should be here. And the 1 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 1. Can it be 1? So the 1 could be here, could be there. Then. Let me think. All right. Okay. Yeah. This box can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. Alright. This triple box contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, those 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3. Should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 3. Can it be a 3? So the 3 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this triple box for the numbers 1 and 2. Let me mark those 1 and 2. This box is connected with that box, so we show 1 and a 2. Okay, so I'm missing in this L-shaped area for the number 4. Well, I cannot place the 4 here because we already have a 4 here. So the 4 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for the numbers 1 and 2. Okay. Well, we have a 2 here, so it cannot be a 2 anymore here. The 2 should be there, and the 1 goes here. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. 1 box left in this triple box for the number 1. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2, should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Well, let me think. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can it be a 3? Can it be a 4? Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 2. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1. Can it be a 2? Can it be a 3? Can it be a 4? Yes, definitely a 5. Okay, I think this box should be a 1 because it can be a 2. Can it be a 3? Can it be a 4? Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright, this box can be a 1, this box can be a 3, so the 1 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 digit left in this triple box for the number 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 3. 1 and a 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. Alright, I have a 4 here. So this box can't be 4 anymore. I've marked earlier those 2 boxes with the 4. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. Alright. These 2 boxes can be 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can it be a 3? Can it be a 4? Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for the numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5. Well, I cannot place the 1 here because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 should be here and the 5 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2 in this dual box. Yes, I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1. Can it be a 2? Can it be a 3? Can it be 4? Yes, definitely a 5. Then These two boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 goes together with the 2 as a pair. The other pair should be the 4 and the 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because it cannot be a 1 or a 2. Cannot be a 3. Should be a 4. Cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can it be a 3? Can it be 4? Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. Let me mark those 1 and 3. Well, we have a double 1 here. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So this box should be a 2. And that box should be a 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 3. Okay, almost finished. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can't be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 4. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can it be 2, can it be a 3, can it be 4? Yes, definitely a 5. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5 and this box should be a 1. These two boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left, the final 2 numbers. In this area for numbers 1 and 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there, finishes in 16 minutes. Wow, 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 wow. 4 stars. I need 30 minutes or more. Well, this is not really a 4 stars because I've solved this in 16 minutes. Is this a 3 stars then? No, for 3 stars I need 20 to 30 minutes. I think it's rather a 2 stars. Yes, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today. It's a killer Sudoku, a.k.a. Sudoku Mix. See you then. Bye-bye for now.